In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI, a beginner's guide. Perplexity AI is a powerful tool that helps you ask questions, explore ideas, and speed up research with clear, reliable answers. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be comfortable opening the app or website, asking your first question, and using the built-in features to get more done. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Perplexity AI website, or launch the Perplexity AI app if you already have it installed on your device. If you're new, you can browse the landing page to get a feel for what it offers. Next, sign in with your existing account, or create a new one in just a few steps. Use your usual login details and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here you'll see a simple space to type a question, prompt, or topic. Think of it like starting a conversation. Be as specific as you can. Adding context makes the answer more accurate. Right around here, a quick reminder. I've placed the official website link and the app download link at the very top of the description, so you can get to the correct place quickly and safely. Type your first question into the search bar or prompt box, then press enter or tap ask. In a moment, Perplexity AI will generate a detailed response or a concise summary, depending on what you asked. Read through the answer, and if you need more detail or a different angle, ask a follow-up right below. You can refine the wording, add constraints, or request examples to tailor the result. To go further, explore the additional features available on your plan. Use summaries to condense long articles or reports. Try research assistance to gather key points across sources for a topic. And for practical tasks, ask for step-by-step guides that break down a process clearly. When you find something useful, save or share it. You can copy the text, store it for later, or send it to teammates directly from the platform, which is great for collaborating or keeping notes organized. Finally, stay updated by checking for new features and improvements. Perplexity AI evolves quickly, and small updates can make a big difference in accuracy and workflow. That's it for this beginner's guide. If this helped, explore a few questions of your own today. And remember, the official links are at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.